Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Frisbee Rewards app works and whether it's worth using to earn money from your receipts. Frisbee is a cashback and rewards app that lets you earn real money simply by uploading your purchase receipts. The concept is similar to popular receipt apps like Fetch or Receipt Hog, but Frisbee adds a unique twist with a cleaner interface and faster payout options. After downloading the app, you will need to create an account and allow access to your camera to start scanning receipts. The moment you upload one, the app analyzes the purchase and credits you with Frisbee points based on eligible items. The app accepts receipts from a wide range of stores, including grocery chains, gas stations, convenience stores, and more. It doesn't require you to activate offers beforehand, which saves time and effort. Points accumulate quickly if you upload receipts regularly, and there are occasional bonus opportunities like streak rewards and referral bonuses. You can also earn extra points by taking short surveys or engaging in promotional challenges within the app. Once you've gathered enough points, you can redeem them for cash through PayPal or choose from a selection of gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Target, or Starbucks. The payout threshold is relatively low, which means you don't have to wait long to start seeing rewards. Frisbee also allows you to track your earnings and activity with a clean dashboard, making it easy to stay motivated as your points grow. In terms of privacy, Frisbee states that it anonymizes purchase data and doesn't sell personal information to advertisers. However, like any receipt-based app, it still collects shopping behavior to provide insights to partnered brands. If you're cautious about data sharing, it's something to consider, but compared to similar apps, Frisbee appears more transparent about its practices. Overall, Frisbee is a strong contender in the receipt reward space. It's easy to use, pays out faster than many of its competitors, and has a solid mix of earning options. If you're already in the habit of saving receipts, it's definitely worth giving Frisbee a try for some passive cash or gift cards. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.